Hi everyone. In this video, I'm going to talk about an important but often overlooked feature in HTML. That is the len attribute. This attribute plays a key role in making our web content accessible, search engine friendly, and user-friendly across different languages. So what is the len attribute? Well, the len attribute in HTML is used to define the language of a web page or specific elements within it. This is especially important for browsers, screen readers, translation tools, and even search engines, as it helps them interpret and display content appropriately. So how does it work? You typically add the len attribute to the HTML tag to set the default language of the entire page, like this. The syntax is len equals double quotes or single quotes, then in the quotes, language code, as here EN stands for English. This tells the browser that the content of the page is in English. But what if your page includes content in multiple languages? Well, you can specify the len attribute for individual elements. For instance, here the first paragraph is marked as French, and the second one is Spanish. Why is the len attribute important? Firstly, for users relying on screen readers, the len attribute ensures the text is read with the correct pronunciation rules. Imagine a Spanish word being read in English. It could be confusing or unintelligible, right? Secondly, search engines use this attribute to determine the target audience for your content. If your website is in French, specifying len equals FR can help it rank higher in French search queries. Then thirdly, translation tools like Google Translate rely on this attribute to detect the language. Without it, translations may be less accurate. How to use language codes? The language attribute uses standard two-letter codes defined by the ISO 639 standard. For example, here EN is for English, ZH is for Chinese, ES for Spanish. You can also include regional codes for dialects or variations. Like ENUS is for American English, ENGB for British English, ENAU is for Australian English. You can visit W3 School's website to check the ISO language codes and country codes. I will put the link in the description below this video. Okay, that's all for this lesson. In conclusion, the len attribute is a small but powerful tool in HTML. It improves accessibility, enhances user experience, and boosts SEO. By properly setting len attribute, you ensure your content is globally accessible and locally relevant. Thanks for watching, and I hope you found this video helpful. See you in the next one.